Every spring, my allergies go crazy. I blamed everything: pollen, the dog, even my soap. But the culprit, my bed. I got the FEPA vacuum and gave my mattress a deep clean. What came out was horrifying. Dust mites, dried skin, moisture, all hiding where I sleep. It has UVC light to sterilize, hot air to kill what's left, and a filter that traps every last particle. No smell, no dust in the air, no more sneezing. It's part of my Sunday routine now. Allergy prone? Sensitive skin? Trust me, this is the game changer you've been needing. You don't want to be the friend who almost bought it.